The Great Jellybean Jumble. In Thinksville, once a year, the much-anticipated Jellybean Jamboree took place. Imagine a day where the raindrops were jelly beans. Yes, multicolored, sugar-coated, tiny beans of joy, raining down from the heavens. Now, on this Jellybean Jamboree's eve, young Timmy boasted a bizarre claim. The golden jelly bean, the rarest of them all, will fall into my jar first. Eyebrows were raised and challenges thrown. Timmy's claim was peculiar because no one had ever predicted where the golden jelly bean would drop. Ever. Susie, being the ever-curious spirit, whispered, "Timmy, how can you be so sure?" With a smug grin, Timmy pulled out an old, dusty book titled The Predictions of Jellybean Drop. It contains scribbles, diagrams, and patterns of previous jellybean rains. Lola, always the logical thinker, argued, "Just because it happened in the past doesn't mean it'll happen again. We need to evaluate the evidence." Together, the little thinkers set out on a fun mission, comparing Timmy's book with last year's jellybean drop locations. Considering wind patterns, checking jellybean shapes and sizes, and even counting the number of jellybeans in jars from the last 10 years. Finally, after hours of giggles, mishaps, and some sneaky jellybean eating, Timmy exclaimed, "According to the patterns, the golden jelly bean has never dropped at the same place twice." Jamboree morning arrived. Thinksville was a riot of colors and jelly beans. Everyone waited with bated breath. Jar after jar was filled up, but the golden jelly bean was elusive. Finally, with a glint brighter than the morning sun, the golden jelly bean descended, landing not in Timmy's jar, but bouncing off Whisker's fluffy tail and into Mia's shoe. With laughter ringing, Timmy's cheeks turned redder than the cherry jelly bean. Evaluating evidence from fresh perspective and a touch of unpredictability made life a lot more interesting and sweet.